Understanding parts of a sentence. What makes a complete sentence? Every sentence expresses a complete thought. To form a complete sentence, we need two main parts, subject, predicate. Think of these parts as two special building blocks. Meet the subject. The subject tells us what or who the sentence is about. It is usually at the beginning of the sentence. It answers the question who or what we are talking about. The cat sleeps, my teacher reads, the pizza tastes good. So the cat, my teacher, the pizza, they are the subject of the sentence. Meet the predicate. The predicate tells us what the subject does or is. It comes after the subject. It answers the question what is happening. Dilip runs fast. Sia feels happy. David writes stories. So runs fast, feels happy, writes stories, they are the predicate. I hope you have understood that. Let's move forward. Now our next part is special cases to remember. Sometimes the subject comes after the predicate. Example, here comes the bus. Some sentences hide their subjects. Commands like sit down really means you sit down. So let us practice finding subject and predicates. The bright sun shines. The bright sun is the subject. Shines is the predicate. Birds fly high. Birds is the subject and fly high is the predicate. Now I hope you have understood this also. So let us practice. Find the subject and predicate in these sentences. The happy puppy plays. The happy puppy is the subject. Plays is the predicate. My friend smiles. My friend's subject, predicate is smiles. The red balloon is the subject. Floats is the predicate. Stars twinkle bright. Stars is the subject. Twinkle bright is the predicate. So here we have drawn a line between the subject and predicate to separate these parts.